Good evening, friends. Last time I had promised you that I will be covering the disease called depression, but in view of huge public demand, I am covering the topic diabetes today because more and more people are suffering from diabetes these days. Now, in case we want to understand why diabetes is growing so much in number, if we look at the causes, one of the prime causes may be the hereditary factor that the parents or grandparents were suffering from diabetes. But according to my experience, I come across many patients day to day, and it has emerged that stress is the most important cause behind the growing number of diabetes. Our lifestyle has become so stressful that everybody, in one way or the other, right from child to adult or to elderly people, some social and other factors are there wherein we get the stress. So, first of all, what is most important is that we have to learn to live in such a way that we just live without, getting any tension for us. Now, because the topic again becomes too long, so I'll have to cut short at certain places. Diabetes is a metabolic disorder as well. So, as usual, what I am planning is that I'll be sharing a chart containing the various pressure points which are to be pressed in handling the diabetes disease through acupressure. But one thing, let me make it very clear to all of you at the outset that it will be just a vague claim rather to say that diabetes can be cured just by giving some pressure points or something. But on the other hand, in the same breath, I will say that diabetes cannot be controlled or cured until unless the patient suffering from diabetes is really, he or she means it, that they really want to cure it or control it. Now, coming back to this thing, that as I told you, lifestyle intervention, the diabetic people should observe lot of dietary restrictions also. Now, it is not possible to cover the dietary restrictions here. That all I can say is, in my number you have been getting all through, we are having a very senior, highly qualified dietitian with me, Dr. Preeti Pai, and through this number you can get the consultation later on. But let me tell you that it is really worthwhile to take pressure points and even acupuncture treatment in controlling this thing, diabetes. Another thing is that morning walk is most essential. Exercising morning walk is most essential in handling a patient of diabetes. Now, straight away coming on to the acupressure, which is the mainstay today, that I will say that, see, diabetes is another factor behind diabetes is that the pancreas is not secreting enough of insulin required by the people for whatever diet they are taking. So calorific value has to be, you have to be very calorie conscious, and people have to be taught, or they should understand that whatever they consume, that has to be, that much calories are to be burnt by them, it should be used by them. Now, pancreas is the main organ which is responsible for it, but it's an important part of the endocrine system. But we are aware that pituitary gland is the master gland in our body which controls the functioning of all the endocrine glands, ductless glands. When I say endocrine glands, I mean ductless glands. So, before starting the treatment for diabetes, first of all, I would recommend that we start pressing with the pituitary point. I'll keep on explaining, and you look at this chart. Kindly have a look at this chart and listen to me. One by one I will explain that in the middle of the thumb, you keep on looking at my hand also, I am sharing with you where I am pressing the middle portion, the raised portion of my thumb. Here is the location of the pituitary gland pressure point. We have to start pressing from here. It is denoted here and I have written PIT, नीचे उसको decipher किया है कि PIT stands for pituitary. Thereafter, after pressing this pituitary point on both the thumbs and both the big toes, as it is been depicted here in the figure, we have to go to pancreas. Now the location of the pancreas point is that in case I close my fist where the ring finger and the middle finger touches my palm, that is the area of the pancreas, which is denoted by a eyeball like thing in the middle of the palm, and in the soles it is half this way, half that way. You can see it here, half this way, half this way. So we have to press these points, and pressing means pressing to the extent that it is bearable, and by doing so somebody may say इससे डायबिटीज में क्या होगा. इसमें डायबिटीज में ये होगा कि जब ये प्रेशर पॉइंट इन एरियाज पे जो मैंने शेड किए हुए हैं डिफरेंट कलर्स में, जब आप इन पे प्रेशर डालेंगे तो उनकी फंक्शनिंग स्टिमुलेशन होगा, उनकी फंक्शनिंग इंप्रूव होगी, एंड द करेक्टिव एक्शन इन कंट्रोल ऑफ डायबिटीज विल कम. ये तो दो मेन पॉइंट मेजर हो गए, पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड एंड द पैनक्रियास. नाउ यू माइट हैव हर्ड दैट देयर इज ए major side effect of diabetic people. It is in the way of some of the people get retinopathy, they lose their eyesight, some people get kidney problem. So another side effect of the diabetic people is the disease is that heart problem also erupts. So we have to stimulate the pressure points pertaining to these organs as well. So here is the pressure point for the eyes below the V for victory in both the soles and the palms. On the right side is the pressure point of the liver, pressure point of the liver, because it is a metabolic disorder as I told you in the beginning only. So pressing the liver point on the right palm and right sole does a lot of benefit. Similarly, we will press the heart point and the kidney points to overcome the possibility of getting these organs involved. So you have got enough time, you have seen it, you can pause the button and see the thing in case you want to see it again, and in case of any problem you can always connect with me to get any clarifications. And at the end again, before concluding, I will say that you can like, subscribe, share, and see this chart again in the description box. Thank you so much.